Toronto residents continue to deal with the aftermath of last night's storm. Environment Canada has ended its winter storm warning for the city and much of southern Ontario after getting slammed with between 20 to 30 centimetres. Driving conditions remain hazardous due to snow and slush-covered roads and reduced visibility from blowing snow. We're going to go to the City of Toronto update live now. We'll find out more on how the city is dealing with these conditions.
This amount of snow accumulation is high for Toronto. It's a little bit more than our typical storm, but well within the parameters of what we are prepared to manage. Snow clearing operations are underway, and they are focused on ensuring mobility and accessibility as quickly as possible, particularly for emergency and transit vehicles throughout the city. Salting operations began yesterday evening when the snow started to stick to the pavement. Plowing and sidewalk clearing also began overnight as snow accumulations continued to grow. So sidewalk plowing is proving challenging, especially when we receive this amount of snow, as the volume of snow takes a toll on the smaller equipment that's needed to service these areas. I'm confident we'll be able to service all the sidewalks, but it might take a little while today to get to some areas, particularly those locations where the streets are narrower spaces in downtown and obstructions can slow down the operation. So we're at that pretty heavily today. On our roads, crews are making every effort to plow the snow to the curb, but based on the amount of snow we have received and the limited right-of-way storage capacity, certain curb lanes may be impacted. We will ensure there's always an active lane and that sidewalks are not obstructed. So snow piles that are left behind by plowing operations after a big snowfall, such as this one, can restrict traffic flow. They can interfere with parking and pedestrian infrastructure and can obscure sightlines. So this morning I declared a major snowstorm condition, which is a tool that we can use to assist us with operations. What this does is temporarily change parking regulations on designated snow routes in the city, enabling the crews to undertake snow removal operations. Snow removal, if you'll remember from last year, is the process of picking up the snow and moving it to a designated snow dump site, thus clearing the area and eliminating safety and accessibility issues. The crews that are clearing the roads now, the ones that are doing the plowing and the salting, are the same crews that would conduct snow removal operations. So we anticipate that snow removal won't begin until Monday evening after plowing operations have concluded. I've declared the major snowstorm condition today, however, in order to give residents enough time to move parked cars off of these snow routes, which are largely on arterial roads throughout the city. So residents are being asked to move their vehicles that are parked on designated snow routes by Monday to enable our crews to remove snow on those important roadways. All snow routes are signposted, and our crews will be they'll be adding additional bright orange signs to clearly identify which areas are snow routes and which ones will be tackled within 48 hours of the signs being posted. Where these orange signs are posted, parking on that road is prohibited until snow removal has been completed and the signs are removed. Toronto is a large city. We received a lot of snow overnight, and I really want to thank everybody for their patience as our operations continue. It's going to take some time to complete, and if you're moving around the city this weekend, please give yourself some extra time. Travel slowly, apply braking, pay attention to everybody else who's on the road. Pedestrians, cyclists, all need your space and attention. And then another thing that residents can do is clear the paths in front of your home and help your neighbors, especially seniors and people with mobility issues. Another great resource for people who need some assistance is 211. That can help connect seniors and people with mobility needs with community services and assistance if they should need it. I'm now going to hand it over to Vince Ferrazza, my Director of Maintenance and Operations, to give you more information about what you can expect in the coming couple of days. Thank you.
Thank you, Barbara, and good morning to everyone. So as Barbara had mentioned, it was an all-hands-on-deck operation beginning yesterday, 1,100 pieces of equipment and accompanying staff, all working throughout to the evening into the early morning, and are continuing to do so today and will be throughout the entire weekend. As Barbara indicated, we are now declaring a major snowstorm condition across the city, which will now allow us to begin our snow removal operations along the snow routes. Those snow routes are on major arterial roads, And those snow routes are also the locations for major TTC lines. So there'll be streetcars, buses, and so forth. And when we declared the major snowstorm condition, as Barbara mentioned, any vehicles parked on those snow route locations are prohibited and could be subject to towing, as it would hinder our operations for snow removal. The snow removal is expected to begin Monday evening, and when we do so, we also set up our snow dumps. So the city has 4 locations across the city where the actual removal collection of the snow from the roads, from the bicycle lanes, from the sidewalks, then get delivered to our snow dump. And we do have crews managing the snow dumps throughout its operations. The only other thing I'd just like to state is that we appreciate the cooperation of all the commercial plazas, malls across the city, in that they please do not plow the snow from a parking lot onto the road or onto a sidewalk. That is also a violation of our bylaws, and it just causes additional work for the city after we have completed clearing the snow from a sidewalk or a road in front of a plaza. We may have to go back and clear snow that may have been pushed from a particular plaza or other commercial establishment. So we appreciate the cooperation and partnerships of those particular locations. So that's our operations that we have planned throughout the weekend. If you have any further questions for Barbara and I. Yep. Okay. Well, the first thing that we learned is education and information. So having you here actually is one of the lessons we learned in terms of helping get the message out to all of the residents, to all the constituents, that we are now in a declaration of major snow condition. So this gives everybody advance notice, especially when it comes to parked vehicles on the snow routes, which then becomes prohibited. So this allows us to keep all of the residents, all the constituents informed on what we're doing, how we're doing, and where we're doing it. So that's one of the lessons learned. The other lessons is the declaration. We did it very quickly. We've been planning for this event for over a week, and getting the snow dump sites ready and mobilizing our removal crews in advance. We're much more prepared now in our activations and transitioning from plowing to removal. The other thing that we have now is we have a lot more actual plows on all of the equipment. We have units which we refer to as combination units, where the actual piece of equipment has both a plow blade and a salt spreader machine. And we didn't have that as evident in our last contracts. And again, a lesson learned from the event last January, so that we were more easily able to transition from salting to plowing. So last night, as you all saw, the snow came down at an extremely fast rate, and we were able to inform and instruct our contractors to essentially drop the blade while you're out there. So there were some operational and also some educational lessons that we've learned from our last winter event.
Okay, an update from the City of Toronto. Here's what I want to fill you in on. The City of Toronto has declared a major snowstorm condition in Toronto, and this is in preparation for snow removal operations in a large-scale capacity, which will begin on Monday. So here's what you need to know. Parking on roads designated as snow routes is prohibited for a period of 72 hours, and that should be as of Monday, but right now it would be challenging if you park there anyhow. You can't park in those snow routes because plows and salters can't get by. So the 72-hour period of no parking in designated snow routes will allow for snow removal of windrows left by snow plows. Under this declaration, the city will collect the snow and remove it to designated snow storage sites. This declaration may be canceled sooner than 72 hours or may be extended depending on how much snow needs to be removed. At this time, the city anticipates it will likely be extended. So we will keep you updated on this.